When you receive both boxes, remove the banding and tape using a pair of scissors or sharp knife. Empty your contents and check them against your manual to make sure you are not missing any items. Make sure to check all of your polystyrene before throwing anything away. When assembling, start by adding the rubber cushion to the end of the slideway as shown. Then insert the black plastic end cap. Next, attach the saddle and secure the second rubber cushion. Insert the nut plate into the end of the slideway. Then add the stabiliser on top, aligning all of the holes and securing using the 4 Allen head bolts and 8 washers from your tools pack. Then lastly, add the second end cap. Attach the slideway to the base using the 2 long bolts from your pack. Start with the bolt with the hex nut on the end. Remove the silver plugs and insert them onto either side of the slideway before securing. Insert the bolt through the holes on the inside of the foot plates. Next, use the second bolt through the centre of the slideway, making sure the alloy bushing is placed on the underside of the slideway. Next stage will be to add the monitor arm to the base. To do this, start by removing the black bolt from the top of the base. Slide the plastic ring over the arm and connect the sensor wires, making sure to align your pins and check you hear a click. Use the 2 black plastic washers on the inside of the bracket when attaching the arm. It's best to start with one. Insert the bolt halfway to hold it in place, and then insert the second and push the bolt all the way through. Make sure to tighten the arm enough so that when it's adjusted it holds its position. Next, add the protective covers using the flat end screws to secure it to the base and the sharp end screws to secure each piece of the covers. Make sure the plastic ring fits snugly in the centre. Now remove the screws from the back of the monitor. Connect the wires to the arm through the plastic stand and align the holes and secure to the bracket. Lastly, you'll need to fill the tank. Remove the red rubber plug and use the siphon pump by adding the flexible end into the tank and the rigid end to a bucket of water. Squeeze the pump until the water meets the gauge line on the side of the tank. Add a water purification tablet and mix this into the base.